ꯐꯃꯨꯡ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯒ ꯌꯥꯡꯈꯩ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯂꯥꯌꯟꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁ ꯂꯤꯃꯤꯇꯦꯗꯀꯤ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯝ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯨꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯝꯕꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯟꯗꯄꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯅꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯔꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯁꯇꯔ ꯁꯝꯃꯤꯠ 2025 ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯨꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯝꯕꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 5 ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯔ 65,000ꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯠ 350 ꯅꯧꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯅꯕ, ꯇꯦꯂꯤꯀꯣꯝ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯕ, ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯐꯃꯨꯡ 150ꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯅꯕ, ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ꯫ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 90 ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯥꯌꯟꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯔ 50,000 ꯔꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 5 ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ 90 ꯔꯣꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ 2 ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯔꯤꯂꯥꯌꯟꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯈ 10ꯒ 50,000 ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯛꯊꯦꯡꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯥꯀꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ, ꯑꯔꯨꯅꯥꯆꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦश, ꯑꯁꯥꯝ, ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯂꯦꯟꯗ, ꯃꯦꯘꯥꯂꯌꯥ, ꯁꯤꯛꯀꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯨꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯔꯤꯂꯥꯌꯟꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯇꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯐꯃꯨꯡ 150 ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ꯫ ꯒꯨꯋꯥꯍꯥꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯃꯣꯂꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯂꯔ ꯗꯥꯏꯒꯅꯣꯁꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆ ꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯤꯖꯣꯔꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯖꯤꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ꯫ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯍꯥꯎꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯆꯠ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯤ꯫ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯣꯔꯊ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯨꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯝꯕꯥꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ꯫
Reliance Foundation will bring the best of cancer care to the Northeast. To begin with, we have established a 150-bed comprehensive cancer hospital in Manipur. We are collaborating with Mizoram University on care of breast cancer using genomic data. In Guwahati, we have built an advanced molecular diagnostic and research lab. It will be among the largest genome sequencing capacities in India. We will help transform the Northeast into a healthcare hub and a research powerhouse. The Northeast is a treasure house of world-class talent in multiple sports. Reliance Foundation will work with all the 8 states to set up Olympic training centers which will prepare our youth to be tomorrow's medal winners in Olympics.